Fraction calculation is there. So we have to I'm not going to write summation of fx is equals to 0. I'm just directly going to write over here as summation of fy is equals to 0 because only the forces acting in the y direction is present over there. So summation of fy, summation of fy, where is summation of fy, summation of fy, summation of fy is equals to 0. Here, summation of fy is equals to 0. Tell me the equation. I have to convert this loading diagram into free body diagram. So here it is RA support, RB support, and 175 down. So diagram will be loading diagram will be like this. RA upward and RB upward. So what is the variation? What is the equation? What is the equation? So equation becomes RA. I'm going to write over here. Just help me. You can unmute and talk to me directly. RA plus RB minus 100 minus 75. As it is equals to 0, so 0. Then, therefore, this equation become RA plus RB, RA plus RB is equals to RA plus RB is equals to minus 100 minus 75 minus 175, so it is 175 and the unit is Newton. This is my first answer. This is my answer. Then I'm going to add summation of moment about A is equals to 0. So summation of moment about A is equals to 0. Can anybody give me the equation for this? Can anyone give me the equation of this? Can anybody? Okay. Equation 100 into it is a clockwise 100 clockwise 100 into 4.5 minus RB into RB into 4.5 plus 3.5. I'm again going to make it very clear. You have to put the bracket while calculating. Okay. 100 is done, RB is done, now D. So plus it is 75 into 4.5 plus 3.5 plus 2. So in the complete equation, only R be the unknown. So can we calculate the value of RB? Yes, we do. So just go ahead and give me the value of RB. I have this equation first. From this equation, I can calculate the value of RB. You have to calculate the value of RB and you have to tell me the value of RB. If you calculate the value of RB, it is easy for you to calculate the value of RA. Tell me the value of RA also in A Newton. Please everybody tell me the value of RA and RB. You have to tell me the value of RA and RB fast. If anybody is having any doubt, you have to ask not out instantly. Because if I'm conducting one numerical, such type, after that numerical, I'll be going to give you 2 extra numerical for assignment for the same type. And the numerical for everybody is different. Tell me RA and RB. Sahil Dangi, Nutan Katsve, Kunal Krishna Nikam, Saurabh Devre, then Divya Ahire, then आणखी कोण कोण आहेत मला तेवढी नाव निलेश कुवर पानसरे कल्याणी चव्हाण घोलप then सोनू संसारे जाधव ओंकार बागुलोम then ऋषिकेश आहेर if once you put the value of RA or RB into the chat box, else you can unmute yourself and you can tell me the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Divya Aire is saying RB is equals to 150. Sahil Dangi is saying 150. So I trust on both of you. I'm going to write the value of RB is 150 Newton. Very good. If RB is 150 Newton, what is the value of RA? By default, it is 175 minus 150, it is 25. Very good. Thank you. This is the first step. Okay. Now I'm going to calculate step number 2. So this is, what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is a SF calculation, and this is the step number 2. So let us take the value of R and RB, it is right or wrong. So RA is 25 and RB is the 150, correct. Look, you can check into the diagram. Huh? Now step number 2. So as usual, SF left to the A, SF right to the A. How many points are there? C, D and B, C and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. SF calculation now. SF, anybody tell me I will tell you the answer. SF A to the left, and I'll tell you the answer of SF A to the A to the left and D to the A to the left, A to the right. Then C, left of C, then right of C. Then B, left of B, right of B. Then B, left of B and right of B. I'm going to tell you the answer first is 0 and the last is 0. So everybody has to give me the answer for the remaining. I have already given you the answer 0, 0. So you have to start with the right to the to start right to the. Divya, can you tell me? Okay, so many answers. Okay. Divya, she has given answers. Sahil Dangi, Rushikesh Shahir, Kalyani, very good. Babulom. Okay, so many answers. So look at the figure and tell me the answer for shear force at right to the A. It is
25.
Perfectly correct. Who is that? Divya.
Yes, sir.
Great. 25. 25 Newton. Very good. Tell me the answer for shear force left to the C. Divya, you.
Sir, it's also 25.
Great. Very good. Then right to the C. Right to the C.
25.
It is
25 minus 100.
Perfectly correct. So it is minus 75 Newton. Very good. Left to the B.
25 minus 100.
Very good. It is again the same. So it is minus 75 Newton. Very good. Right of the B. 25 minus 100.
25 minus 100 minus 75.
Oh, you're missing something. We are talking about
CB.
So you have to focus on RB, na? What about
Yes.
RB? You're missing. So Tell me the complete equation.
25 minus 100 plus RB
RB it is how much
minus
RB?
75. RB
RB is
value 150. 150.
very good.
Plus
So the answer
150
is,
minus 75.
so the answer is 75. Correct? It has to be 75. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Left to the D. Left to the D. It is again 75 and finally it is right to the D, it is 0. So whatever, if the answers are matching, it means whatever the calculation you have done, it is perfectly correct. So thank you, Divya. You have given the perfectly right answer. Step number next, it is step number third, it is moment calculation. So Divya, can you tell me moment at A is equals to how much?
Zero.
Perfectly correct. And can you tell me the moment at B is equals to how much?
So B means RB, na? Then 150, na?
No, I'm talking about moment at D. Yeah? You have given this answer is perfectly correct. Moment at A is equals to 0. Right now my question is for moment at D. What is the moment of D? Sahil Dangi? 0. Oh, who is there? Who is there?
4.
Very good, Nilesh. It is D. Nilesh, can you tell me the moment at C? Can you, Nilesh? Somebody else? Sahil Dangi? शीतल जगताप, नूतन कसबे, सौरभ देवरे.
25 into 4.5.
25. Who is there?
Divya.
Divya. Okay. 25 into 4.5. Perfectly correct. Equals to. So 25 into 4.5. How much? I guess it is 1125 something.
112.5.
112.5. And the unit is Newton meter. Okay. Moment at B. Tell me the equation. Tell me the equation. Moment at B. 25 into 4.5 plus 3.5. Okay. Then minus. Divya, can you? Sahil Dangi? Minus 100 into 3.5. Is this equation is clear to everybody? Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Is there any issue?
No.
Others, Sahil Dangi, Jagtap, Nutan Katswe, Sahil, Sonone, Rushikesh, Devre. Only one feedback is there. Om. Clear, sir. Okay, great. So here it is. Tell me the answer. You can check the equation again. 25 is going clockward towards the B. So it is 25 into how much distance? 4.5 plus 3.5. So it is 100 is going anti-clockwise direction. So minus 100 into 3.5. That's it. So the answer is, tell me the answer.
Minus 150.
Minus 150, and the unit is Newton meter.
Newton meter.
And the moment at d is equals to, moment at d is equals to 0. So this is my answer. Good. Now these are the three steps we have done. So fourth step is to draw SFD and BFD. Okay. So I'm going to draw. So this is the first step. From loading diagram, we have drawn free body diagram. Then we have calculated SF, and then we have calculated BF. Now plotting the diagrams. So look at this. So my first agenda is to plot the values. So SF at left 0, right means I am plotting a point above A. So it is 25. You can see over here. Okay, you can see over here. Above A, it is a 25. I plot a point. What is this? Line A to D is known as what? It is a zero line or reference line. Okay. From above this line, it is positive. From below this line, it is negative. Okay. So left to the A is 0. From right to the A, it is on the point A, that is 25. Then left to the C is again 25. Then right to the C is minus 75. So it is going downward. Then left to the B, it is minus 75. The same. Right to the B, it is 75. So here it is going upward. Then left to the D, it is 75, and right to the D, it is 0. So in case of point loading, we are just drawing horizontal and vertical lines. So it is vertical and horizontal lines we have drawn. And at every point, you have to mention the intensity 25, 25, 75, 75, 75, and all. This is the bending moment diagram. This is the shear force diagram for this plane. Now, bending moment diagram. Let us check bending moment diagram. Moment at A is 0, moment at D is equals to 0. Moment at C is this is C point, so I have plot 1125. Correct, it is the correct answer. Then moment at B, it is 150, 150 minus, na? It is 150 minus 150. So it is coming downward. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, and in case of point loading, and if we wish to draw the bending moment diagram, we have to connect the every point by inclined line. So we have connected the every point by the inclined line. That's it. Is this numerical? This is drawing of shear force diagram is step number 4. Drawing a bending moment diagram is step number 5. There is no point of counterflexure, so we are not going ahead. So is this numerical is clear to everybody? If anybody is having any doubt, any query, you can unmute and you can talk to me directly. Any doubt, query, else you can write in the chat box clear. Nutan Kasve clear. Good. Only one feedback. Krishna Nikamp answer है. Sahil, Jagtap, Shital, Golab, Abhijit, Kalyani, Bagul. Okay, so many feedbacks. It is clear. So now the assignment number 3 for you. Assignment number 2 based on unit number 1 is you have to solve two numerical based on overhang beam. You can take any number of load, you can take any distance in between the supports, but you have to calculate you have to draw two shear force and bending moment diagram. The numerical is different for each and everybody. So you have to calculate the points. You have to calculate the you have to calculate and draw shear force and bending moment diagram for overhang beam, two numericals. Okay, this is the third numerical for assignment number 2. Moving onwards, hold a second. Give me a minute. Devre Rahul is there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, झाला का बेटा जॉइन? देव राहुल काय इश्यू होता तुझा?
काय झालं सर?
इश्यू काय होता?
जॉईन नाही तर
अच्छा ठीक आहे. ओके.
सर आवाज नाही येते.
ओके. नाव येतोय आता आवाज?
हो सर.
We are level up now. We have solved all these three type, and the assignment for inter. This is again simply supported on C, and we have to calculate. So, Deepak, can you help me with this? Can you tell me the reaction calculation for that? Anybody? Anybody? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So can anybody give me the reaction calculation over here? Now it is your duty to write summation of fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. I'm just directly going to calculate. Okay. Once you do a practice now, you will be having good command. Ra plus Rb is equals to how much? Okay. In that case, here directly all the values is given to us. So no need to go for this. Here only the understanding part is there. Okay. No issue. I'm sorry. All the values are given to us. So no need to go for the reaction calculation because 14 is given to us, 14 16 is given to us. Okay. Do a thing. Go for the cross verification reaction calculation. If I don't know the value of Ra, if I don't know the value of Rb, what will be the magnitude? Let's cross verify. Ra plus Rb is equals to load. Load is given to us, that is 30. My first question to each one of you: when there is a force calculation, it is a reaction calculation. Reactions means nothing but it is a force. Reaction means force. So as it is a reaction calculation, can we consider movement which is acting along C point in clockwise direction? Can we consider this or not? No. Whenever there is a force calculation, we have to neglect all the movement acting on the beam. So as it is a reaction calculation, means force calculation, so we are going to neglect the movement. Okay, make sure that you are neglecting the movement. Now, movement at A, that is summation of movement at A. So summation of movement at A, we are going to write summation about movement about A. So movement about A is equals to, can anybody tell me the movement about A? Can anybody tell me the movement calculation about A? Divya, can you? Krishna Hire, Krishna Nikam, Saurabh Devre, Abhijit,
30 into 2.
hold a second. 30 into 2. You have to consider, you have to include the movement, because it is a movement calculation. This is a movement, so I'm going to make more clarification. It is a right now we are doing with movement calculation now. 30 into 2, very good. Then when there is a movement calculation, movement is nothing but force into distance, and if there is a only separate movement is there, we have to add it. So 30 into 2, it is a clockwise movement, so we have to add 20 directly as it is. Okay, I have added 20 as it is because it is a movement. Minus RB. So we don't know the value of RB, so I'm going to write RB into how much? 5. So only one term is unknown to us. Can anybody tell me the value of RB? Actually, we do have values of RB over here 16. If the value is 16, then our answer is right. 60 plus 20 divided by 5, so it is 16. So is the RB equals to 16? If it is so, then our calculation is right. If RB is 16, we can easily calculate the value of RA. It should be 14. Just press verify by calculating this. If it is right, then tell me the answers. Give me a confirmation. Well, Nutan Kasbe, okay. The first answer from Nutan is RB is 16 and RA is equals to RA is equals to 14. So the answer, whatever the equation we have written over here, this is perfectly correct. So RA we know, RB we know. This is the reaction calculation. Step number 2. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is step number 2 is SF calculation. Can anybody tell me SF calculation? I am going to help you with the SF left of A equal to 0, SF right of A is equals to something, then I have to write first B and C point. So A, C, left of C, then right of C, B, left of B and right of B. We have to go from left side and to the right hand side. So A, C and B should be the sequence. So right of the B is a 0. Can anybody tell me what is the value for right of the A? Can anybody tell me the values of shear force at right of A?
14.
Perfectly correct. It is 14 Newton. Then over here, left of C. Tell me, Divya.
14 Newton.
Very good. Then for right of C. 14 minus.
14 minus 30.
Very good. So it is 16. Huh? It is 16. Left of B is a again
16.
14
Newton.
minus 30, it is 16. Okay. 16 Newton. It is 16 Newton. So does my right of B and left of A are matching? If it is so, then whatever the calculation I have done is perfectly correct. You have to be focused on this 20 because here we have added a moment acting on that point. Okay, so here it is a moment SF calculation. Now I am moving towards the next point, that is duplicate. And that is which calculation? Moment calculation. Moment calculation. So I'm going to give you answer for moment at A is equals to moment at B is equals to how much? How much? Moment at A is equals to
Zero.
moment at B is equals to perfectly correct. Moment at A experiments, na? So it is always 0. Now look at here. Huh? This is very important step. Where it is A0, then come to the point C. Now here it is a somewhat different case. Here there is a point C on which a separate movement is acting, which is in clockwise direction. We have already calculated the moment at A and moment at B, which is equal to 0. But the point C is remain. The point C is a point where the separate moment is acting. That is 20 kilonewton. If any point on the beam, over which the moment is acting, in that case we have to calculate moment on either side of that point. Moment on either side of that point. That is left of point C and right of point C. Just like shear force calculation. Shear force left of A, left of right. The way we have to calculate the moment at the left and right hand side of the point where the moment is acting. For example, C point. On point C, the moment is acting, so I have to calculate moment at left of C and moment at right of C. So here I am calculating. Moment at left of C. Moment at left of C means 14 into 2. So it is 14 into 2. So it is 28 Newton meter. But when I shift to the right hand side, the calculation becomes 14 into 2 as it 14 into 2. Now look at the movement which is a clockwise movement. It is rotating in the clockwise direction. It is rotating in the clockwise direction. So clockwise movement is a positive. So we are going to add the 20 as it. 20. My point is, whenever there is a movement which is acting on, whenever there is a movement acting on any point, in that case we have to calculate the movement on the either side of that point. Okay, so left hand side as it is and right hand side we have added as a 48, as a 20, which is the magnitude of the movement acting at point C. I guess this calculation is clear to everybody. If the Sahil-Dangi SF calculation, Sahil-Dangi minus 16, you're talking about minus 16 something. Sahil-Dangi, please unmute and tell me what is the issue.
Sir, right of CR SM calculation में.
SF calculation, let me check. No, right of C. Right of C, 14 up, 30 minus, so it is very good, minus 16. So again here it is the same, minus 16, and the answer will be the same. So minus 16 plus 16 will be equal to 0, correct? Right. Then where we are? Okay. So is this clear to everybody? Is this slide is clear to everybody? Have you got my point? Slide is where it is. This is the slide. You have got my point. You, Divya Hire. If the moment calculation at the point where if it is clear to you, then you clear the chat box. Okay, great. So many clears are there. Good. So now again, our next agenda is to draw shear force and bending moment diagram. So let us move towards. Now I have plotted all the calculation in a single table. A left to the left of A, right of A, left of B, right of B, and so on. I have plot over here everything. Only here it is a point load and vertical and horizontal lines are there on SFT. So it is -14, -16, and 0. When there is a point load, and if you wish to draw bending moment diagram, only inclined lines. So A0, B0, left of C is a 28, so it is 28. Then right of C it is 48, so we have written 48, and then 0. So only inclined line. Clear? Clear to everybody? If bending moment diagram and SFD and BMD is clear to each one of you, for the point load and along with the moment, if it is clear, give me a quick instance feedback in the chat box. If anybody is having any doubt, or please unmute and ask me. Anybody is having any doubt? Okay, no, good. 16 responses so far. I have already given the link for you in the chat box. Those who have not given the attendance yet, please go and fill the attendance. Okay, so this is the type second. Now again there's a, as it is third type, so that means second type. So again you have to solve more two numerical based on such a condition. Point load with external load. You can have a simply supported beam. You can plot the points, give a loading, give a distance in between them, whatever you wish. You can give any moment, and you have to solve two numerical. Means two numerical on that as assignment, two numerical on that as assignment, two numerical on that as assignment, and two numerical on that as assignment. Okay, everybody has to do this. So I guess today we have to stop. If you have given the attendance and if you don't have any doubt query, you can leave the meeting. Thank you so much for attending the class.